Hello beautiful people, how you doing today? My name is Priscilla and welcome Urembo wa Urembo mpo. I am good, and for today's video I want to show you how you can highlight your lips properly. Yes. To find out, keep watching. To start, you're going to be needing your beauty blender and your foundation. So if you had your beauty blender, if you're using your beauty blender to do the rest of the face, just use the same blender because it probably has some product on it, like this one here. So I'm just going to make sure I have enough product around my lips, and this is to make sure that there's a nice definition, because if you want to properly highlight, then we need to make sure that the area around the lip has some or the product. Okay, that's fast. I'm looking at the side because I'm looking at my mirror here. Okay, so second thing, I'm going to be taking my highlight, the product that I'll be using to highlight, and then I have this. There you go. This is my eyeshadow applicator, and then this is the highlight I'm going to be using. It fell down and cracked a bit, but it's still functional. So I'm going to be putting the product like that, see? And then I'll just keep quiet for a second so you can see what I'm doing. Just pay attention. I have my product on the brush, and then I'm going to do this in the Cupids bowl, like that, because this is the area that I want to highlight there. And do this before you apply your lipstick and not after, because if you do it after, then it's going to mess up a lot. And then the thing is, you don't want to do it everywhere. You just want to work on this part, and if you like, you can also work on the bottom part like that. And as you do this, you notice that it will just take up the shape of your lips, because you have a natural, your lips have a lining, so that's what it's going to take. I don't know if it's called a lining, but you get what I'm saying. Unaelewa, mnashika. There. You don't even need to stretch. Just relax your lips as much as you can. That's it. So the next thing, you're going to be putting our lipstick. I still don't know if I want to put red or nude, but let me put a red so that you can see how the highlight, pops. So the lower part is good. Then I'll work on my the top part. There you go. So that is how you properly highlight. I really like this. It's been a while since I put on a red lip, and I think this is so striking, and the highlight just makes it so boom. I like it. You strobe the areas where the sun or the light is going to hit naturally. So you want to just exaggerate, or I don't know how to put it. You just want this feature, the Cupid's bow, to come out a little bit more, and you want the Cupid's bow to be more pronounced, and this is how you do it. I liked it. It's so balanced. Yeah, it is balanced. Wow. That is how you highlight your Cupid's bow. Urembo. Asanteni sana for watching the video to the very end. I hope you get to try this look, and hopefully I'll see the outcome. You can always tag me your images at Urembo_creations on Instagram and Facebook. Okay, bye. Like, share, and subscribe.